loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys a whole lot of wigs. I'm going to be doing a wig try and haul, and at the end of the video you get the chance to win one of the wigs in this video. Anyways, you already saw me get prepared to wear the wig or not, and now I'm showing you general construction of how the wigs look like. Today's video is going to be sponsored by my brand, Miss Enyoa, which also happens to be my name. But anyways, I'm just showing you guys some of the wigs in the collection. So this is a very curly, bougie. Curly hair always gives me bougie vibes. Like, you cannot tell me anything with curly hair. Look at the material, okay? Like, mwah, chef's kiss. Yeah, so the wigs come pre-plucked and ready to wear. Knots are already bleached. If you want like extra deep customization, like widow's peak and everything, you let me know so that I can customize the wig to your taste. This is just a very simple, basic, everyday wig. Like, everybody needs a simple wig like this, especially if you're in Cameroon, because like the heat, this is supposed to be rainy season, but the heat, so everybody needs a short wig that you can just wear and go, like nothing fussy, just easy brush and go. And this is what we have here. It's actually very pretty, and I forgot to put the prices in the other one, but this one goes for 35,000 francs. Next wig on our list is this Afro curly wig. Like, look how gorgeous it is. It's just showing rich auntie vibes, like say I'm from some exotic mixed bloodline or whatnot. I'm not saying that I fantasize them, but I'm just saying, like, look at the material, okay? Like, again, the wig is ready to wear. You just pop it on your head and cut the lace and you're good to go. I'm showing you guys the back, and this is basically how the wig is. You would, however, have to customize it if you want the tapered look and everything. This right here is just a very straight frontal wig, and I think the density of this wig is 120%, which is pretty natural. If you don't want it to be thicker, you can request it if you want to buy it. All my wigs are pretty customizable to the T, so whatever you need, just let me know. This is another really straight wig, but this one isn't a blonde wig. It's just like wig, and also I don't know why it looks puffy at the top, but again, like I said, all of my wigs are really customizable to the T. You just let me know what exactly you want, and then you get it done. And then also you can wear this wig on the side. It's actually pretty easy. You just push it down by the side and then you have it. Yeah, so that's basically it for this wig. I think this is length 12, and yes, most wigs come in 120 density, and then you can bulk it up however you want, but most people like natural wigs. Again, this is another really blonde wig, and it's also an everyday wig. This one has a sideline, and I actually love this one. This one goes for 30,000 francs. It's a 10-inch wig. Coming up next is this bad boy. This is a 14-inch frontal wig, and I'm just really highlighting and showing you guys how the hairline looks. Hairline is lit and ready to go. Knots are bleached, hair is plucked. I didn't style, like, go again and extra style these wigs because they were just sitting in a pile, and I was trying to do a wig haul directly from the packet. But again, I keep saying it, all wigs are customizable to a T. Yeah, we have this gorgeous 16-inch closure wig, sorry. Yeah, closure curly hair water wig, and it's actually very cute. Everyone needs a curly water wig. Like, this curly hair makes you look bougie, okay? Like, so you need a blonde wig and curly wig in your wardrobe. This is a 20-inch wig, and it's pretty much very sleek hair. Funny thing is, I filmed this video last year, which was before all the bone straight wahala, and yeah, so basically you get this wig very inexpensive and actually very cute. You can wear it, you can dress it up, you can curl it, you can, like when you just want to give inches, it's actually very affordable. So this is a 12-inch frontal wig. Yeah, this is a 12-inch frontal wig, which usually I always cut to a bob, but again, customer didn't request, so it's upon people's requests that always go in and style the wig. But I'm just showing you guys like how it looks like from the jump. So now here are the giveaway rules, which I think is very easy. But before we get into all that, I want to show you the wig that I'm going to be giving away. So this is a 8 inch blonde wig. Well, technically it's like a 7 inch, but since it's not 7 inches because it was an 8 inch, and then I trimmed it again because I wanted it to be super blonde. But yeah, this is basically what we're working with. This is the wig. As you can see, it looks cute, it's full, it has texture, and I'm just showing you guys how thick it is. So the rules are actually quite simple. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment your Instagram handle down in the comment section, follow me on Instagram at amyrahkemba and my hair page at Miss Enyoa, and also go on the page and then leave a comment in the comment section of the page. I will count your the person with the highest likes from YouTube and Instagram and everywhere. I'm going to join it all together, and then I'm going to announce the winner. I'm going to add everything, so your likes from Instagram and your likes from YouTube. I'm going to join all of it, and also you can do a burnout by following me on Twitter and liking my tweets and whatnot. So that's basically it for this video. I love you guys. May the best woman or man win if you're entering for your mom or whatnot. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.